Quadra Blast is about to begin.
怒り爆発から一気に行くがガンマインパクトでナリ選手の1号2号が16号を倒しました。破壊神にダメージが入って上側の破壊神を倒してるし。
Alright, nice, super fast take by the mini Goku and Piccolo for the red side. This is the triple boss KO now, so they will be able to finish the gods. Alright, super fast take there to the Goku. Nice take from the red side. Also getting 3 KOs that once again from outside of this area. Nice
Triple boss
take.
KO!
Alright, the Goku takes that Ribian for his team.